Refer to the table and circle graph of the food budget. Consider a family that spends $664 per month on food. Using the percents from the table and the circle graph, find the amount of money spent on cereals and bakery products. We will look at the table, and we want to find, first of all, the percent that's spent on cereals and bakery products. And if we look at this, we see that cereal and bakery products is 13% of the budget. So what we need to find then is 13% of $664, which is 0.13 times 664, which is 86.32. So the family would spend $86.32 on cereals and bakery products, which is option D, and that would be the correct answer.